Hiccup away. Hi guys, welcome back to this episode 72. This intro crashed down.
Yes. Okay, hello guys, welcome back. It's me, Luigi.
Same like mentioned in episode 22. Hiccup.
Okay, hey, Sarkoni.
What?
It's me, Luigi. It's you.
Start animations.
And now it's time to do this.
Huh?
Hiccup!
Oh no!
Oh, okay, let's do this Hiccup.
What? Isn't that in magic?
I got this.
Alright.
Juice.
Step one. Hold this is 5 minutes.
Alright. Okay.
There we go.
Nice. Oh no, I failed.
Step 2. Balloons.
Oh, phew. Oh no. That's not good. They're gonna try again.
Step 3. Drink the water. Hiccup. What? Oh, serious? Try again. So good. I'm doing
Hiccup.
good. Yeah. Step 4. Scary. Jump scare.
Hiccup! Hiccup! Hiccup!
Huh? This is a wolf. Take wolves. Get the hand rolling.
Alright. Yes. Okay, here we go.
What?
Hiccup!
Down. Dinner 6 hours.
The dinner time, 6 hours. Hiccup. Hey, Sarkoni, Hiccup. Come on. Oh, you turn your head and this Sarkoni, Hiccup. Stop.
Hiccup!
Go to spare her.
Nervous. Come on, Sarkoni.
Uh-oh.
Nervous. Aww.
Hiccup!
Huh? I like it, Hiccup. Oh, I like it. Yeah.
Hiccup!
Yeah. Alive.
Hiccup! Hiccup!
I can see Hiccup.
Hiccup.
Thanks for watching. So, I'm going to see you next time. Bye.
Hiccup.